Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we are going to talk about fractions of an amount. So let's continue. Here you can see we have two questions. The first one is 1 out of 111 and we are multiplying it with 777. If you would see that one of the number is a fraction and of means multiplication and multiplied it with a number which is 777, which you can also write it down as 777 out of 111. Now, if you would see that, you can check it would be equal to 7, right? So when you would divide 777 with 11, what you're going to get is 7. Now let's move on to the next question where we see 2 out of 5 of number n is 18. 2 out of 5 of number n. This means that 2 out of 5 and of means multiplication of some number which is n, and the result of this is going to be equal to 18. Now this one is kind of a little different from the one that we already did. If you would see, we need to separate this n value to find out this value of n. So what should we do? This 5 is getting multiplied here, so what we can do, getting divided here, so what we can do, we can divide this with 2 and multiply with 5. So you see this 2 and this cancels out, and this 5 and this 5 cancels out. Now, according to the mathematics rule, you have to do the same thing on the other side. So this 5 out of 2 would be multiplied and divided on that side as well. So now our n value is going to become, now we need to multiply 18 with 5, and whatever we are going to get, we are going to divide it with 2. So 18 times 5 is 90. Will be 90 out of 2. So if you would divide 90 with 2, we are going to get 45. So the answer for this question is 45. If you want to verify, you can also do that by putting in the values. You can see 2 out of 5 times the n value we were just found out, which is 45, and the result should be equal to 18. Now, if you would see that when you would times 2 with 45, it's going to be 90. 90 divided by 5. So if you would see that it turns out to be 8. So both sides are equal, and if you can see that it is justified that 45 is the value. So I hope you understood both of the questions. If you have any more questions, feel free to reach out to me in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.